Are you prepared for hurricane season? It's important to prepare ahead of time so you and your loved ones stay safe when disaster strikes. We understand that facing a hurricane can be a daunting experience. That's why we're here to help you be prepared and stay safe. Start by creating an emergency kit. Include non-perishable food, water, medications, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and important documents like insurance papers and identification. Remember to have enough supplies to last you at least 3 days. Next, develop an emergency communication plan with your family and practice going to a safe shelter. Sign up for emergency alerts and know the evacuation routes in your area and plan ahead. Consider your transportation needs and make arrangements for your pets as well. Protecting your home is crucial. Reinforce windows with storm shutters or plywood. Trim trees and secure loose outdoor objects. Don't forget to clear your gutters and downspouts to prevent water damage. Make sure to have fresh fuel on hand for your backup generator and follow the recommended maintenance schedule to have your generator in perfect working condition at a moment's notice. It's always a good idea to do a test run on your generator before storms strike to make sure it's all set and ready to go. When using your generator, always follow safe use guidelines and only use your generator outside, away from doors, windows, and vents to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Remember that we're all in this together. Be a good neighbor and offer support to those around you. With these simple steps, you can be well prepared for hurricane season. Stay informed, be ready, and take care of one another. Together, we can weather any storm that comes our way.